BizTalk sophomores from Hampton City Schools visited 4 universities to meet industry professionals, engage in hands-on learning activities, and discover vocational opportunities that exist for them after high school. The engineering and technology pathways visited Hampton University and the Newport News Airport to meet experts in the fields of aviation and STEM. Students interested in creative arts toured the fine arts departments at Norfolk State University and the Channel 10 News studio. Old Dominion University hosted business and IT, emphasizing how to effectively and efficiently manage one's resources. And the Public Service Group visited the campus of Christopher Newport University, playing college student for a day in various mock lecture setups. Students came away from the BizTalk experience with not only a taste of what their futures could look like, but a better understanding of who they can be professionally.